2026 Aprilia RS 660 factory review. Middleweight done right. Middleweight sport bikes have been on a serious comeback. And the Aprilia RS 660 has been one of the main reasons why. When it first arrived, it completely changed expectations for the class, proving that you don't need superbike power to have a thrilling, rewarding ride. Fast forward to 2026, the RS 660 factory takes that same formula and sharpens it even further. At first glance, the RS 660 factory looks similar to the standard RS 660, but the real difference shows up once you start riding hard. The factory version costs more, and that extra money mainly goes toward premium hinge suspension. While the base model uses solid KYB components, the factory gets a fully adjustable Öhlins fork and shock that are clearly aimed at riders who love twisty roads or track days. The exclusive dark punchy paint looks great, but the suspension is the real reason to upgrade. Power comes from Aprilia's lively 659cc parallel twin engine, and it remains the heart of the bike. Despite stricter Euro 5 Plus emissions rules, the engine hasn't lost its personality. Larger throttle bodies, revised cams, and internal tweaks help deliver smoother, more linear power. The 270-degree crank gives it a punchy feel and a sound that's surprisingly close to Aprilia's famous V4S. With a higher rev limit and updated tuning, it feels eager across the rev range without ever becoming intimidating. On the road, the engine is flexible and fun. It pulls cleanly from low RPM, has a strong mid-range, and keeps things exciting near redline. Highway cruising's easy, and there's always enough power on tap for quick passes. There is still a small emissions-related dip in the mid-range, especially noticeable in second gear. But it's less intrusive than before and easy to ride around. Handling is where the RS 660 factory really shines. The aluminum twin-spur chassis feels light, stiff, and incredibly confidence-inspiring. At just over 400 pounds fully fueled, the bike changes direction quickly and holds a line beautifully. The Öhlins suspension adds extra control and feedback, especially under hard braking or aggressive cornering. On smooth roads, it feels rock solid and precise. Though rough pavement does remind you that this is a sport-focused setup, braking is handled by Brembo M 4.32 calipers with strong stopping power and excellent feel. Combined with adjustable ABS settings, the bike is equally comfortable on the street or the track. Electronics are another strong point. With cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking adjustment. New features like launch control and a pit lane limiter borrowed from the RS V4. Ergonomically, the RS 660 factory strikes a nice balance. It's sporty without being extreme. It's making it comfortable enough for daily riding, while still feeling aggressive when you push it. Taller riders may feel a bit cramped, but for most people, it's a great middle ground between a naked bike and a full SUP. Perspo. In the end, the 2026 Aprilia RS 660 factory isn't cheap, but it delivers a premium middleweight experience. It blends everyday usability with serious performance, proving once again that riding enjoyment isn't just about horsepower. For riders stepping up or downsizing, it's one of the most rewarding sport bikes in its class.